Hey guys, Olivia from Mount Gravatt Mazda, and welcome back to a Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I will be running you through a CX3 walkaway lock, which will start from the Touring SP and up. So to access your walkaway lock function, we will go to our settings. We're then going to go across to our vehicle, door lock, and then we're going to pop on walkaway lock. Now you can change the keyless lock beep volume, so if you like to have it really high like I do, so you know that your vehicle is locked, you can set that as well, and we are done. So I've got a live demonstration coming at you. So we hop out, as you do, walk away from the car, and she will lock herself up. So if you've got bags, groceries, kids, dogs, strollers, whatnot, you don't actually need to click the button to lock it. But thanks for watching our Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I hope you learned something new about the CX3 Touring SP. Come down and check it out for yourself.